Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining scope. Pick location, date range, and category to avoid noise. Once done, type 1 to 3 keywords or topics. Use quotes for exact phrases so comparisons are clean. Make sure to set search type, web, YouTube, shopping, because each shows different user intent. As you start, glance at interest over time to confirm signal strength. If it's flat, broaden the range or add regional filters. This gets you actionable data fast. You now compare terms and interpret the scale. Trends normalizes to 0-100, so relative position matters more than absolute numbers. Once compared, examine related queries, look for rising terms and breakout labels to spot emerging opportunities. Make sure to toggle subregions and time granularity to separate long-term seasonal trends from short-term spikes. This clarifies causation versus coincidence. Also export CSV for statistical work or share a snapshot to document your hypothesis. You finish by converting trends into insight. Export the CSV, annotate anomalies, and merge with analytics or primary research to validate hypotheses. Use topics instead of raw terms when you want synonyms grouped. That reduces fragmentation. Once done, create visual comparisons for stakeholders and recommend next tests. If results look sparse, widen the date range, aggregate regions, or add related keywords to boost signal. This troubleshooting step usually resolves low-volume issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.